Hi, I'm Diane Kochilas, and I'm making Greek-inspired glazed carrots today. Let's get started. So we're going to need about 4 carrots. Cut them into diagonal pieces about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch thick. Set them aside. Juice half an orange. Knock out the abrils of a pomegranate. You want to grate some ginger. The fresh mint. We're going to need a little bit of butter and olive oil. Warm them together in a frying pan. Add the carrots. Let the carrots cook in the olive oil and butter for about 10 minutes until they're pretty soft. Add ginger, a little bit of allspice, whole berries, a little salt, a little petit mezi, a little bit of Greek honey, fresh strained orange juice, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, or seedless black raisins, abrils of a pomegranate, the fresh mint, Our Greek-inspired glazed carrots are ready. Just remember what's in here: 4 carrots cut on the diagonal, pomegranate, Corinthian currants or seedless dark raisins, a little bit of grape molasses, petit mezi, Greek honey, Greek olive oil, of course, sea salt, Greek sea salt, a little bit of fresh mint, orange juice, ginger, and a touch of butter. Here we have our glazed carrots, a lot of beautiful color and even better flavor going on in this dish. So I hope you enjoy it for holiday tables, Sunday brunch, weeknights, and this is definitely one way to get the kids to eat those carrots. They smell great.